This is great. So I'm just rendering a video here in DaVinci Resolve, and you can see the job running here. It says there's 9 minutes, 35 seconds to go. And you can see the timeline as it's rendering it running along there. And over on the left-hand side, you can see the CPU graph is moving around sort of at 60%, something like that. This is on a ThinkPad L14 with an AMD Ryzen 4750U chip in it. And look at this great feature. Over here on the power, it's quiet at the moment. The fan is, don't know if you can pick that up. It's really quiet, peaceful. But you've got this here. If I pull this over, see what happens to the CPU, see what happens. Pull this over to best performance. You can hear the fan picking up speed as the temperature of the cores increases. It's using more and more of the CPU. You can see on the graph here, it's gone up to 100% CPU, but look at that. Look at the rendering graph. It's accelerated up now. It's chomping through the byte. It's chomping through the render. It's just fantastic. I love this chip.